my name is Rowena. So I'm gonna teach you on how to start a garden. So by the way, I'll just show you if you can show some of my garden results here. So I do have some mustards in there, Shanghai bok choys, and I do have some salads and mustards in here again. So but I'll show you how to start the seedlings. So what I have in here, I've already started. You need some egg trays like this one, and then you need some soil, and then that's it. So this one is already made. I've already put some seeds in here, and they're mustard seeds. And now I'm gonna start with the Shanghai bok choy seed. So you just have to fill up this one like that. In each hole you can put 2 seeds. So I'll do the other one. This is for the salad. So my soil I'm using is actually just a vegetable garden soil, and I mix it with a little bit of a perlite. And in about 1 week we'll see how they'll resolve. Okay, so you just have to put, these are my saved seedlings or seeds from 2019. So it says there Shanghai bok choy 2019, and I'm gonna be also using some romaine lettuce and green lettuce. These are from 2017. Let's see, because I always have some lots of leftover seeds from previous years, so I'll be using them. I'll put them in an envelope and keep them dry for the entire year, for the year. Okay, so and then right after that, so I put some already here seeds, 2 seeds in one, and you dry them. Oops, it doesn't work. Great. Oh, it's kink. That's it. And we'll show you the result after. Few days. Okay. Thanks. Bye bye.